Isn't it curious how dogs greet us for the first time, as if we've been friends forever? There's something so pure and comforting in the way animals connect with us. No hesitation, no judgment. You know, it's kind of the same with these people, drawn together by the same love. As if nature has already introduced us long before we even said hello. That, my friends, is the magic of the great outdoors. Not everything you encounter on the trail is positive, but trust me, life always has a way of balancing things out. So have fun, don't be afraid, explore with just a bit of caution, and you'll be alright. Choosing where to hike during the rainy season is crucial. You'll find obstacles, but the key isn't to stop, but to make the right choices. Charco Prieto is a safe spot. It's less prone to dangerous flash floods compared to higher places in the central part of the island. It's an easy trail, even for beginners, and the view at the end is magnificent. Don't rush, Luis, we are not in a hurry. But you know what? It's okay. In life, it's important to let people enjoy the journey at their own pace.
Luis!
But for me, I prefer to take it slow. How else could I appreciate the small details along the way? Now we approach Charco Prieto. You'll be amazed by its beauty. Who would have thought such place is so close to San Juan? We often think these wonders are far out in the countryside, but to find this gem right in Bayamón is truly amazing. Look at it. Don't fall behind. Follow me. We worked hard for this. Let's find our beautiful reward. But wait, is this a river or a beach? This scenery is so unique. Oh, it's so cold. Let's take a step back and see this place from another perspective. Enjoy the ride. As it started to rain, safety became our top priority. We began our journey back, but not before taking a dip in one of the smaller waterfalls down below. This little waterfall is perfect for rinsing off the dirt before heading to your car. And you get a nice massage. What more can you ask for? And what's a good day without a great meal? We stopped at this place, El Fogón. 10 out of 10. I tried candinga for the first time. What a way to end our journey.